Hello friends, today we will learn how to write a simple essay on physical exercise. So let's begin with the introduction. Exercise is very important. It keeps our bodies and minds healthy. It gives us more energy and helps us feel calm. Types of exercise. There are many ways to move. You can walk, run, or do yoga. You can also lift weights. Every type of movement is good for you. Health benefits. Moving every day keeps us from getting sick. It helps our hearts and it keeps us strong. It also makes our muscles and bones tougher. Mental benefits. Exercise is great for your brain. It makes you feel happy and less worried. It also helps you sleep better at night. Importance in daily life. Exercise makes your day better. It helps you focus and get more work done. It is a great way to stay active and happy. Conclusion. Physical exercise is key to a good life. Everyone should try to move and stay active every single day. Thank you for watching.